I gotta turn the monitor off. Maybe. Make sure my shit's right. Oh, maybe not, because the monitor's gonna double up my shit. Oh wait, no, it's muting output. So it should be just coming through the desktop. I may or may not like this. If my thoughts are too long, then the sound of myself talking interrupts my thought process, like right now. So let me turn that off. Okay. So last week I spent like fucking 8 hours doing research for nothing, it feels like. I thought Box 2D was going to solve all my problems. It didn't. And it's not going to help us get our game out faster. But it does create a problem for me. Well, I already had a problem that I was trying to solve. What was that problem? Well, it has to do with collision detection. And I've been musing on how to actually solve this problem. Because collision detection itself isn't hard. But what if you want to land on an object? Or what if you want to be hindered by a wall? Or what if you want to be able to push on an object? Let's see. All right. So we're gonna fucking remove box2d for now. You would think it would just be as easy as rolling back to the previous commit. So we're now in detached head state. You can look around, make experimental changes, commit them. You can discard any commits you make in this state without impacting any branches by switching back to a branch. If you want to create a new branch with retained commits to create, you may do so now, or undo this operation with git switch dash. Turn off this device. Head is now at that researching platforming. So what do we do with this, right? Let's take a look at what we can build. That's actually where we left off. So they said git switch dash. So it should have been that easy to just switch back and forth between previous history points in our git history. Yeah, so now we're back to that. Let's check this commit out, because there was a point previous to the point that I just checked out where we didn't have that jitter when we were jumping. And I want that back because that was really smooth. And I think that's a really strong point to actually continue on from. Let's see. Alright, that's smooth again. So we found the last good commit that we want to roll back to, right?
Y'all don't even know that.
So really, if we want to revert, we're going to have to incrementally revert in order. So all right, let's get comfy here. Oh, so we gotta get so then we would revert the next commit, right? And we're going to do that all the way down to here. So that's our revert, our first one. Here's our second one. So there's our second reversion. Here's our third one. So that's 1, 2, 3. Here's our fourth one. One, 2, 3, 4. We do 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or wait. Actually, if we did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that means we're on this one. And I think this one's good. Yeah, we're good. Making the music load only when the stage loads is a little bit tricky. All right. All the warnings are gone, yes. What up, W2 Petey, Speedy? Heidi hi yo, haha. This is just the name of the game. Nothing gonna change. Stay in your lane. Yo, what's up? Guess what fucking time it is? Time to fuck you up with that black magic stuff. Yeah. You just a little ill bitch. I don't give a little shit. Throw you in a fucking ditch. Yeah. We making America great again, my friend. High energy as fuck. I don't give a shit what you think anymore. Language shapes the way we think. Time to get a drink. Get a glass of water from the fucking sink. That will quench my thirst. I'm the fucking worst. But that's alright, I'ma cut your fucking purse. Getting my riches from the fucking bitches. Motherfucking haters try to catch my wishes. Cleaning off my plate, it's time to do the dishes. Casting my spells like a psionic glitch, bitch. Getting my riches from the fucking bitches. Motherfucking haters try to catch my wishes. Cleaning off my plate, it's time to do the dishes. Casting my spells like a psionic glitch, bitch. Now, one of the challenges of collision detection, knowing that we have things that rotate, right? To demonstrate this, I'm going to draw two hitboxes around everything. One of them's green, one of them's blue. So when we have spinning knives, the green rectangle is going to rotate, and the blue rectangle is going to stay static. All right, so you saw that? Look closely. See how there's two rectangles now. One of them is spinning, one of them is not. This demonstrates the fundamental problem that we're going to be facing. Especially when an object is mid-rotation. But the problem existed before the rotation was noticed. That was actually something I just noticed just now. Oops. Damn, smack the fucking mic. So one of the problems that we face is like you have 4 points on this rectangle. Each one has an XY coordinate. when it's spinning, those points get translated around the center of the rectangle. So we don't immediately have access to that information because the spinniness is already calculated. So we would have to somehow extract that information from our matrix in order to make that work. So the problem that we're facing is
Now I'm coming at you with sick flow.
when we collide with
Age of evil
a red brick,
dojo.
for instance,
I like to write code when
we
I
don't
am
want to be able to move through it.
up your brain. I'm always on the low. Now I'm coming at you with sick flow.
But we'd also like to be able to move on top of it.
I like to write code when I am stoned, fucking up your brain. I'm always on the low. I'm a broke motherfucker and I hate load. Fuck a gypsy, put his brains in a damn moat. Motherfuckers on FNet are so damn old. Bunch of fucking skids, cannot even code. Inside of my mind, this is just by design. I am feeling too fine to relax and unwind, so I'm hyping me up on the coffee and kind of going on smoke. I continue to grind. Buried heads in the grave, every one of you slaves. I will punish you names if you do not behave. Fuck what you chatters say. Fuck what the topic says. Chrono's an autistic bitch. Waste my time, I don't give a shit. All the dude does is run.
We have a mechanism to keep us from moving off screen at the moment.
Eraser need to buy a damn gun. Stay on your
In a similar way,
on the run.
we want to
I do this shit for fun.
land on top of this thing, as well as not be able to move into it from the bottom. I learned a little bit about how Box 2D tries to go about doing this, and it's actually kind of a complicated problem. There's a lot of moving parts that can be implemented in order to actually make a real platformer. Question is, we're not really making a platformer. So, do we need to fuck with this? Maybe we can just maintain the flappy mechanic and make it so that if you fall, you die. Or maybe you can fall a certain distance and shit gets really crazy at a certain point. Ugh. Alright. Sorry I'm taking a long time to do stuff. I'm also stretching my back. Oh, man. I gotta put this thing behind me. Okay. Oh, but this won't work either. So one of the problems with this
Stay in the cut, grandma's gut.
We're manually forcing the movement here.
Broken, break your face, grab claw. Pull up with that stick, nut, check your neck with it. I don't give a shit, fucking spit, you're dead with it. Moving fast, staying still, time to chill and pay some bills. Got a lot of time to kill, so I thought I would make a meal. But to do that first, I gotta rob and steal. Been
So perhaps we don't want to really fuck with.
The game, and that's never going to change. My name is Dark Mage, and I am
landing on some shit because ultimately it's going to delay me getting this game out.
So old.
We want to focus on actually making stuff and
explosive.
focusing on this being a pure shooter.
Because I am explosive.
It's probably the best way to go.
When I ride, take a good long look inside. My soul is your own, and I take it over your mind. Chatters are just misfits. We have met, don't regret, can't resist it. 904 be my motherfucking business. 5210 and 512 where my heart is. I do not fart, bitch, I am fucking darkness. Pizza game on point, none of y'all are a part of this. Tiny ones do not know about this largeness. Calculate my wins, y'all cannot touch my margins. I own 2 high twos, Nick. Weave gave me money, Wolsey even saved my Nick. So hot that I am melting your realness. Can you even feel this? I need a grill, bitch. Fake chats, take a seat. Crowd time to hit the street. Beating up these pussies like I teriyaki jerk my meat. You ain't a real one unless you can take the heat. Bow down to your code god. I'm a lead freak in the chat game. Hand up in between the sheets.
Let's see. Alright, we're getting rid of red bricks and pipe base.
it's time to cast a flare. For a moment you're blinded, you can't see past the glare. This reality space-time done been ripped, it begins to tear. I know you fucking shit yourself, better check your underwear. Do you like poop? Gross, you're a fecophiliac. Brown crap, nitty-gritty, half-digested chilies. But I've said a bunch of fucked up shit, but talent you do not lack. This is just a public service announcement. White girl butt crack, oh shit. He gone and did it. He murdering everyone and leaving no witness. This is just his flex, a test of genetic fitness. You think his shit is personal, but really it's just business. Now everyone's like, ooh, no he didn't. His disease is so strong, now even Apollo's got the sickness. Better hit the John before your draws get too messed. This is just a reminder of why I'm the motherfucking best. My life is RPG, max level, now I'm on a quest to put a rap game under. Excuse the rest, including me, Gills, I can tell you're stressed. Afraid you will fall to my empirical conquest. More of the grave, well I'm more of all space-time. User, pirate, ninja, wizard, lizard, criminal, mastermind. Wanna be a bitch, then call me a bastard, fine. I've got a contract that I know you wanna.
Alright, y'all ready to fall down?
Because you probably saw this common, yeah, I'm fucking Satan. Pretty soon everyone around the world's gonna start hating. Because deep down you know U equals masturbation. I'm just a mathematician and I form these equations.
We need a game over scene. Alright. We've removed red bricks. Removing pipes. We're going to abandon the notion of this having any platformer elements. And instead focus solely on the flappy mechanic combined with shoot-em-up aspect. Right? Actually, oh man, I need my Q-subs next to me. I got a fucking bad ear itch. Okay. Oh yeah, we're not building it yet, so it doesn't see it.
December 21st, infinite novelty. Crafting up codes, defining my reality. Never gonna finish writing, that is how my novel be. Action reaction, just a lot of causality. Infinite novelty, December 21st. The start is the end, and the last is the first. You might catch me traveling through the past. It's a blast. I get nasty. Fuck you, I'm a gamma ray burst. Fuck you, I'm a gamma ray burst.
Oh man. It says it's not been declared.
Fuck you, I'm a gamma ray burst.
Declare it right here. Oh, we never saved it. That would explain it.
I get nasty.
Oh, I'm getting warm in here. I need to lean forward a little bit.
I'm theoretical like tachyon particles. I hit you with diamonds and leave you in sparkles. I'm a demon, I cackles. I'm gonna leave you in shackles. Can't play
Okay,
with
so I
me
built-
You got nothing to stack with. You ain't playing no games, you just high on craft wits. I ain't got time for flies, so I've set up traps. You call yourself a runner, but you ain't running.
They say
no laps.
life is the lesson, so don't let make it a teacher. But there's no way I'm a student when I'm really a preacher. I'm boosting up my signal, so my sound will reach you. From the top of your attic, to the ground beneath you. In life after death, there might be no conquest. The challenge is now. There's no avoiding this test. In life after death, there might be no conquest. The challenge is now. There's no avoiding this test. I need some more time to write the rest of this story. I'll spare
Okay,
you
so
the
a lot of our
details, the process is
draw functionality is still located directly in the scene parent class, which previously I had decided that I wanted to move stuff into each scene. We still want to do that. We could have textures that we render to, but I'm not going to go through all of that process right now. So
If you can't code, your brain is going to explode, rot, corrode, erode, overload, like an electrode. Your whole mind explodes. That's been walking on how many years now on death row? All because you think it would be weird to command your console. So post-mortem, your family, I will console. Shortly the flower, I devour, they soul. Name they brains and bodies, I now's control, because everyone's got that missing hole.
There's a lot of people out there talking shit today. Time to put everybody in their fucking place. Yeah. Yeah. I feel this. Yeah. 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 I don't give a shit. Throw you in a ditch. Slit your fucking throat. Coming for your kids. I don't give a shit. Throw you in a ditch. Slit your fucking throat. Coming for your kids. Hey, I don't give a shit. Throw you in a ditch. Slit your fucking throat. Coming for your kids. Hey, I don't give a shit. Throw you in a ditch. Slit your fucking throat. Coming for your kids. Hey, I need some fucking weed. I've got a fucking dream. Kill them fucking all. Now it is time to sleep. I need some fucking weed. I've got a fucking dream. Kill them fucking all. Now it is time to sleep. Load up my gun. My game number one. I'm flying so high. Shoot straight for the sun. Load up my gun. My game number one. I'm flying so high. Shoot straight for the sun. Hey, or the son of God. Rise up to the top. Kill them fucking all. Let God sort them out. Or the son of God. Rise up to the top. Kill them fucking all. Let God sort them out. No hesitation. I fuck with no patience. Fuck boys are just hating. Can't fuck with no Satan. You think that I'm playing? This is my creation. And my space station features is still waiting. Just blazing on haze. Sing Amazing Grace. This is just a taste of what I'm pumping in your face. Sing a serenade. Sharpen up my blades. Cut into you deep. Life starts to fade.
Let's see. I want to thank everyone for viewing so far. I appreciate it. We got 3 likes. See, the stars should be a part of the gameplay scene. There's several things we're gonna have to move over. Alright, so transitions. Now here, in order to handle a third scene so that we loop back around to the beginning, we're currently making the assumption that you're starting on the title scene. Alright, so because we know this to be untrue in reality, now that we have a third scene, so we can do a check to see what the current scene ID is, and then compare that against scene keys that we began storing. So I started preparing for this ahead of time a little bit. So that creates a game over scene, which currently has no sprites in it whatsoever. But one thing that I need to do is refactor the existing code so that we can customize the drawing on a per scene basis and move a lot of that code in scene.cpp into the individual subclasses. In essence, a lot of the drawing code is going to be very similar, but in the cases where we have custom text that we want to actually show up somewhere, we want to be able to do that. One thing I also want to be able to do is have custom message windows that appear in the game so that we can have, like, for instance, a pause screen that actually has information on it while you're on the gameplay scene. But first we have to transition to this game over scene. Let's see.
does it feel? Baby, oh baby, I love you so bad I would. How does it feel? Baby, oh baby, I love you so bad I would. How does it feel?
Okay, so for instance, in the very beginning, we set the scene key directly to gameplay or to title. We can actually decide instead to start with gameplay. God damn. So that's pretty good. So handle transition in still works pretty sweet. We could even slow it down.
Turn away from your sin. Turn away from your sin. Turn away from your sin. Turn away from your sorrow.
You notice how it took a lot longer that time.
Let me borrow. Let me borrow.
So transition out, however,
Hey yo, watch the master play, move with hands of passions, play, march with the mass parade,
Now-
mass brigades with hand grenades, prepare for massive change, can get down, stand afraid, I plan to make attacks a day advance while I'm max ablaze, usually pass my day smoking on some massive haze and plan to stay the same until the day come I pass away. Now who dare
I'm gonna
say
turn
that
this
they
one
don't
up.
have the game to match my play, move at a faster pace, grab the mic and stab your face, slash on trace of line from you, back away, gas your place and light a fuse, ash away, turn up, burned up, what up, what lyrical murder, what up, bruh, one time for my lyrical bros, spitting it cold, or we're kicking the blows, yo, cause everything that I do is dope, and everything that I say is quotes, yo.
Let me borrow. 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 Let me borrow.
I've got an ill vibe, so I smoke a lot of cannabis. My THC tolerance so high, most of y'all can't handle this. Do my own thing autonomously, no need for managers. NSA spy drones, feds, cops, narcs, or CIA handlers. I'm filling up my jet, I like to cruise on sandwiches. Extract the energy so I can produce my maximum damage, bitch. Everything in the universe, I'm all that and a bag of chips. Grind you into dust so I can rail upon some sand of witch. I'm dropping these bombs, I'm about to go nuclear. Wipe the chessboard so I can see with a view clear. Ride to the top, dangerous so I move with the stealth. Motivation, greed, but my money into mental health. Summing up my vibe, I got the waves of a mason. Time travel the universe and make the singularity hasten. Lord of the games, that scripts of impressive creations that I listen to on my couch on vacation from my PlayStation.
Let me borrow. Let me borrow.
yeah. All right.
Turn away from your sorrow. Let me get you. Turn away from your sorrow.
Ooh. It's not a constant expression? Bullshit. Okay, so it's definitely game over scene. Oh, here we are. But scene type, huh? Did we not update the scene type? Okay. Yeah, we did not. Okay. Game over. Uh-oh. Crash! Oh no! Is it goes to the cleanup? Oh fuck. So we're gonna have to reinitialize it. Let's see. So we're gonna have to set has been initialized to false, and then reinitialize it, which should work. All right, took my shirt off. Readjust my position a bit. Lower. That's just a little bit more. So we call init in the very beginning. This was part of the problem with figuring out how to make the music play specifically only on certain things. I might end up having to use a music manager for this. That way I'm not like directly controlling the playing of the music through the scenes, because once the scene is created, music starts playing, so you end up with multiple scenes playing music at the same time. That's a little bit trickier, but for this problem, we're only calling init here, so when we transition out, we're actually closing the entire scene. And we may not want to close scenes until, well, actually, the whole reason that we're closing the scene is for memory management reasons, right? Like, we don't necessarily want all of the sprites for every scene loaded all at the same time, but actually, when we init everything, that's kind of what we're doing. So maybe we want a more dynamic system. So if a scene has been closed or it hasn't been initialized yet, and we attempt to switch into a scene, think I got my keyboard at the right position. If scenes of current scene ID. So maybe we can re-init the scene this way. I bet this is going to crash something. Yeah. That's funny. I want to know where it's crashing.
I'm a wordsmith, bitch. That means I make up word shit. I don't give a donkey dick if you don't give a quantum piss. Y'all act like I'm uncertain. I think that I'm Heisenberg and I'm going hard, as I think you might observe.
Nanotechnique, show you why your rhyme scheme's so weak. The future look bleak, so dark I can't even speak. Prosthetic telekinesis, can you even dream of this? The next stage of humanity occurs after the game freezes.
I don't think you and I worship the same Jesus, play chess with the same pieces, say yes with the same meaning. When I tell you I have a vision, you say that you can't see it. Y'all just tomcats, I'm the Cheshire Cheesin'.
Summoning golden Skrilla straight from the dark.
Oh, it's actually getting through the initialization entirely.
Chaos analysis of weather. The connection with the universe is so strong it will never be severed. Central nexus.
Said the player's already
promise
spawned,
Wi-Fi be tethered.
which isn't true.
The universe, Aleister Crowley, Golden Dawn. Glad my soul is tethered, cause I'm barely holding on. Make blood packs with Belial, success to show for mom. Magic powers cast every hour, chaos pandemonium.
Man in the middle attack. Pen tested and found the crack in your system, and now I sit atop the memory stack. Root access granted, now I install a deep botnet. Etch the impact into your mind so that you all will never forget.
The player ID is still being set, so
Bullshit. Shoutouts to TFNet. Shoutouts to everyone who's ever doubted me.
oh, it's crashing hard.
You're going down. Killing this shit every single fucking day. If you have a god, son, now is the time to pray.
It's stuck in some sort of loop.
This isn't a game. I don't have time to play.
It's loading each individual asset.
Closely, son, I have something to say. Sick of these fucking haters acting like they don't know what is up. I'm a bust a move, get into the groove. Gonna show you all what the fuck I'm made of. Motherfuckers come
Oh, it's like stuck in a loop really bad.
what is up. Get into my brain, gonna feel the pain. Guess what time it is? Time to fuck you up. Hey yo, you ever heard about that evil dojo?
We probably want to do the init before we transition, right?
A
sick flow. Ayo, it's Dark Mage, and this my evil dojo. Ayo, looking for some money and some sick hoes. Ayo, I'll teach you things that I bet you didn't even know. Ayo, put your hands up if you're down with the sick flow. Ayo, it's Dark Mage, and this my evil dojo. Ayo, looking for some money and some sick hoes. Ayo, I'll teach you things that I bet you didn't even know.
Oh, it keeps closing the scene. What? Alright, so this is clearly not right. This doesn't actually close all of the scenes. Only the current one. What if we didn't close the current scene? But somehow... Oh wait, no, we never actually close title because we skip it at the moment. Okay, that makes sense. Oh, I know what's happening. But wait, if we never close it, then we never get a chance to update the transition. As we guarantee that the scene transitions being set before we begin transitioning,
My internet blogging must have pissed somebody off because I've been redesignated like hitting the prison lotto, which I just walked in here last night. There's some dude, he's down like 22 years and he has 28 more to go. And he says, oh man, they sent you to one of the worst places that you could possibly go to. I think I liked it better in the maximum security facilities. Please send me back.
so one thing that we're gonna have to do to make this better is, just like I was describing before, we're gonna have to refactor by moving some of the functions that we've defined and seen
I could go without one, but not both at the same time. And I had this dream while I was in this fever.
and set some of these to be virtual so that we have to essentially define them in the subclasses. I already started doing this for some functions.
whispers. I see you moan, and I can feel you quiver. Cry louder, bitch, I only speak in whispers. I see you moan. Cry louder, bitch. Cry louder, bitch, I only speak in whispers. I see you moan, and I can feel you quiver. Cry louder, bitch, I only speak in whispers. I see you moan. Cry louder, bitch.
Like, for instance, we're gonna probably make a draw virtual so that we have to define it on a per scene basis in the scene itself. And that way we can remove a lot of the extra stuff. We can also start closing scenes and opening them again on a dynamic basis. Alright, let's think. Alright. I'm gonna take a break to go take my grandma's dog out to pee-pee.
How does it feel? Baby, oh baby, I love you so bad I would. How does it feel? Baby, oh baby, I love you so bad I would. How does it feel? Baby, oh baby, I love you so bad I would. How does it feel? Baby, oh baby, I love you so bad I would.
Stay in the cut, grandma's garage, box van on my wall. Red oak, broken, break your face, grab claw. Pull up with that stick, nut, check your neck with it. I don't give a shit, fucking spit, you're dead with it. Moving fast, staying still, time to chill and pay some bills. Got a lot of time to kill, so I thought I would make a meal. But to do that first, I gotta rob and steal. Bending your will to my fingertips of steel. Always kill the game, and that's never going to change. My name is Dark Mage, and I am inside your brain. Fake skit chatters, always riding on my dick. Motherfuckers so old, they always make me sick. Y'all got halitosis, all y'all tats are corrosive. All y'all sleep on me, because I am explosive. Evil dojo when I ride, take a good long look inside. My soul is your own, and I've taken over your mind. Chatters are just misfits. EFNet, don't regret, can't resist it. 904 be my motherfucking business. But 210 and 512 where my heart is. I do not fart, bitch, I am fucking darkness. Pizza game on point, none of y'all are a part of this. Tiny ones do not know about this largeness. Calculate my wins, y'all cannot touch my margins. I own 2 high twos, Nick. Weave gave me money, Lolsey even saved my nick. So hot that I am melting your realness. Can you even feel this? I need a grill, bitch. Fake chats, take a seat, kratom time to hit the street. Beating up these pussies like I teriyaki jerk my meat.
You ain't a real one unless you can take the heat. Bow down to your code god. I'm a lead freak in the chat game, hand up in between the sheets.
If a woman ever gave me crap, I'd say, "Hey, you gotta do my laundry." A woman pooping out her boobs is not good imagery. You can't be serious. You people like this?
Killing this game every single day. Post it up in your lane, popping shots at your brain. Killing this game every single way. Money made, fucking paid, lock you up, now you stay. Welcome to the evil dojo, we got that sick flow. We stay lit up, even when we on the low. Don't give a fuck what you think you know. I'm writing this fast and rapping real slow. Time to tiptoe around my damn home. You know I stay blazed when I'm in the zone. Got some skills to hone, turn these keys into bones. What's my fucking name? Tetragrammaton. Yeah, I'm number one under the fucking sun. When I pull my gat, all you bitches start to run. Turn your ass to trash, smoking on this gas. I keep my mouth clean when I'm eating ass. Time for black mass, I cast a dark ritual. Got no fucking soul, so why so spiritual? Paint a picture for you, call that shit a visual. Wait until you're gone, then I collect residuals. Lots of dead friends, lots of dead family. I just wanna die so I can live happily. So I can live happily.
I want to kill the President of the United States of America.
Howdy, Internet. My internet blogging must have pissed somebody off because I've been redesignated, like hitting the prison lotto, which I just walked in here last night. There's some dude, he's down like 22 years and he has 28 more to go. And he says, oh man, they sent you to one of the worst places that you could possibly go to. I think I liked it better in the maximum security facilities. Please send me back. Things are alright otherwise. I dropped into a deep fever. I've been denied access to both sunlight and food for an extended period. And I can go without one, but not both at the same time. And I had this dream while I was in this fever as I walked to the apex of this mountain, and I look out on this blindingly bright area. Though it's bright, I know that it's nighttime, and the sun comes up, and the sun is black and shining rays of darkness upon this planet, and the forest before me is violets and blues. And I look out beyond that, there's a distant shore, and I know in my heart that though winds are said neither by land nor sea can anyone reach that shore and intend to see an ode, I am the first person within 70 years to get a good look at it. And as I do what I do in the sunlight, I stare into the sun. It's an ancient spiritual practice, sun gazing. It actually won't hurt you. You can look directly into the sun for an extended period and it will fill you with warmth. And I look into the sun and its black rays invade my retinas, and they are fragmented and they are encoded and they drive into my pineal gland. And then something appears before me, a glyph, a raw power, and I know that this is my first move. Will be released more. Woe unto my enemies when I finally reach a parsable grammar.
Alright, I'm back. I don't know for how long.
This is just the name of the game. Nothing gonna change. Stay in your lane. Yo, what's up? Guess what fucking time it is? Time to fuck you up with that black magic stuff. Yeah. You just a little bitch. I don't give a little shit. Throw you in a fucking ditch. Yeah. We making America great again, my friend. High energy as fuck. I don't give a shit what you think anymore. Language shapes the way we think. Time to get a drink. Get a glass of water from the fucking sink. That will quench my thirst. I'm the fucking worst, but that's alright. I'ma cut your fucking purse. Getting my riches from the fucking bitches. Motherfucking haters try to cut my wishes. Cleaning off my plate is time to do the dishes. Casting my spells like a psionic glitch, bitch. Getting my riches from the fucking bitches. Motherfucking haters try to cut my wishes. Cleaning off my plate is time to do the dishes. Casting my spells like a psionic glitch, bitch.
All right. All right.
There's a lot of people out there talking shit today. Time to put everybody in their fucking place. Yeah. Yeah. I feel this. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I don't give a shit. Throw you in a ditch, slit your fucking throat. Coming for your kids. I don't give a shit. Throw you in a ditch, slit your fucking throat. Coming for your kids. Hey, I don't give a shit. Throw you in a ditch, slit your fucking throat. Coming for your kids. Hey, I don't give a shit. Throw you in a ditch, slit your fucking throat. Coming for your kids. Hey, I need some fucking weed. I've got a fucking dream. Kill them fucking all. Now it is time to sleep. I need some fucking weed. I've got a fucking dream. Kill them fucking all. Now it is time to sleep. Load up my gun. My game number one. I'm flying so high, shoot straight for the sun. Load up my gun. My game number one. I'm flying so high, shoot straight for the sun. Hey, or the son of God, rise up to the top. Kill them fucking all. Let God sort them out. Or the son of God, rise up to the top. Kill them fucking all. Let God sort them out. No hesitation. I fuck with no patience. Fuck boys are just hating. Can't fuck with no Satan. You think that I'm playing? This is my creation in my space station. Future just still waiting. Just blazing on haze. Sing Amazing Grace. This is just a taste of what I'm pumping in your face. Sing a serenade. Sharpen up my blades. Cut into you deep. Life starts to fade.
Hey, we got it. It's all working. Just a couple small tweaks is all I needed. So the height here's 11.
whispers. I see you moan, and I can feel you quiver. Cry louder, bitch, I only speak in whispers. I see you moan. Cry louder, bitch. Cry louder, bitch, I only speak in whispers. I see you moan, and I can feel you quiver. Cry louder, bitch, I only speak in whispers. I see you moan. Cry louder, bitch.
Coming at you now with the sick flow. Y'all don't even know about the motherfucking code that I already wrote a long time ago. When I was stoned in my fucking home, tetragrammaton. When I'm in the zone, on the microphone. Y'all already know my motherfucking name. It's Dark Mage of Evil Dojo. I need to fucking take an ibuprofen. God damn. That's not bad. That does not look bad.
Now I'm coming at you with sick flow. Dark mage of evil dojo. I like to write code when I am stoned, fucking up your brain. I'm always on the low. Now I'm coming at you with sick flow. Dark mage of evil dojo. I like to write code when I am stoned, fucking up your brain. I'm always on the low. I'm a broke motherfucker and I hate load. Fuck a gypsy, put his brains in a damn moat. Motherfuckers on FNet are so damn old. Bunch of fucking skids, cannot even code. Inside of my mind, this is just by design. I am feeling too fine to relax and unwind, so I'm hyping me up the coffee and kind of blowing out smoke. I continue to grind. Buried heads in the grave, everyone you slaves, I will punish you knaves if you do not behave. Fuck what you chatters say. Fuck what the topic says.
Chrono's that autistic bitch. Waste my time, I don't give a shit. All the dude does is run scripts. He would not be here if he was legit. Eraser need to buy a damn gun. Stay on your toes, bitches on the run. I told you all I do this shit for fun. If you didn't know, my A game is #1.
Where's my wrist? I'm going to tear up.
Now I'm coming at you with sick flow. Dark mage of evil dojo. I like to write code when I am stoned, fucking up your brain. I'm always on the low. Now I'm coming at you with sick flow. Dark mage of evil dojo. I like to write code when I am stoned, fucking up your brain. I'm always on the low.
All that we say and do is right.
This is just the name of the game. Nothing gonna change. Stay in your lane. Yo, what's up? Guess what fucking time it is? Time to fuck you up with that black magic stuff. Yeah. You just a little bitch. I don't give a little shit. Throw you in a fucking ditch. Yeah. We making America great again, my friend. High energy as fuck. I don't give a shit what you think anymore. Language shapes the way we think. Time to get a drink. Get a glass of water from the fucking sink. That will quench my thirst. I'm the fucking worst. But that's alright, I'ma cut your fucking purse. Getting my riches from the fucking bitches, motherfucking haters, try to catch my wishes. Cleaning off my plate, it's time to do the dishes. Casting my spells like a psionic glitch, bitch. Getting my riches from the fucking bitches, motherfucking haters, try to catch my wishes. Cleaning off my plate, it's time to do the dishes. Casting my spells like a psionic glitch, bitch. Alright, I think that's enough for today. I want to thank everyone who's joined, everyone who likes, supports, everyone who continues to check out my stuff. This is a long process, but we are going to do this thing. Mark my words. So we actually undid Box 2D today. I reverted many commits back to a stable point in the code base and began working again from there. I talked about some of the challenges with collision and why we are looking at abandoning it, or abandoning any assets or aspect of this being a platformer in favor of it being a pure shooter with Flappy Bird mechanics. We made a game over scene, and we talked about some of the things that we have to do in order to eliminate some of the hard coding that we're doing. So we're doing this now. All right.